Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Wednesday, October 9th, 2019. Taking a look at our homework for this evening. In regular math, we've got practice 2.3, while honors math has practice 2.5. This is both on our Chromebooks on our Big Ideas Math website. In science, there's no homework. In social studies, we have our democracy Venn diagram, which we'll take a look at here. All right, you'll notice we've got government Venn diagrams. There are two slides here. You are only doing the first slide. The first slide is democracy. What will happen is you'll put up here in this box the purpose of government is, and you have to list the two reasons why. Down here in the Venn diagram, you're going to list two different things that are specific to direct democracy, two specific things that are specific to representative democracy, and then in the middle here of this Venn diagram, you're going to share one thing that both direct and representative democracy share. Please do not submit this item when you complete it, because tomorrow night's homework will be dealing with a monarchy Venn diagram. Looking at language arts, there is no homework tonight. In literature, the same thing we've had. We need to read 30 to 45 minutes. Our AR goal is going to be due this Friday, October 11th. All right, that's going to be it for today. Everyone have a fantastic Wednesday, and we'll see you tomorrow.